Alright, today we're going to continue working with some word problems and adding and subtracting. Today we're going to practice subtracting on a number line, continue kind of what we learned yesterday. We're going to do a little bit different though. So let me read the problem. It says 3rd and 4th grade students are competing to collect the most box tops. In total, the 3rd and 4th graders collected 609 box tops. If 3rd graders collected 285 box tops, how many box tops did 4th graders collect? So I know it already says in total right here. So that lets me know that if this were an addition problem, it would equal 609. So the in total right there, their total is 609. If 3rd graders collected 285, so it would be 285 plus, and then that's what I don't know. All right. So I'm going to rewrite this into a subtraction problem. So what I could do is turn this into 609 minus this, and that would give me my difference. So I'm going to write 609 minus 285, and that's going to equal, that's going to be our difference. So these are the same thing. I turn this addition question with a missing add-in into a subtraction problem. So I'm going to draw a number line. And this time, I'm going to start at 609 over here because I'm starting here and I'm working my way backward. So I'm going to start at 609 and I'm going to take away 285. So first, I'm going to take away my hundreds, minus 200. All right, there. So when I take away 200 from 609, I would get 409. Now, I need to take away 8 tens from this. I don't have any tens, but I know if I start at 409, if I take away just 1 10, that would give me, let's see, 399. And then I need to take away 7 more tens. So let's see, minus 70. Let's see, 90 minus 70 would be 20, so 329. So I've taken away 7 tens, 1 10, that would be 8 tens. Done there. And now I need to take away just 5 ones. So minus 5. So that's just 9 ones minus 5 ones. That's not too hard. That would be 324. So I'm going to double check my work. I took away 5 ones there. Need to make sure I took away 8 tens, 7 tens, 1 10 would be 8 tens. I took away my 200. So that means my answer is 324. So if 3rd graders collected 285 and the total was 609, the 4th graders collected 324 box tops. And I could also put this in here, 324, and check my work right here. 4 plus 5 is that 9. 2 plus 8, that would give me a 10 with an extra going to the hundreds, and then 2 plus 3 is 5 plus that extra would be 6. All right, so I've checked my work, and there's my answer. Again, this time I started and worked backward.